the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 23 from verse 44 to verse 49. Jesus dead. Now, at about middle day, and the whole place turned dark, right back till about 3 o'clock. After it get dark, and the big thick curtain in a God's house split in a two, Jesus bawl out loud, "Father, me put me spirit in your hand." As Jesus said this so, him blow him breath one last time, and dead. When the head soldier for the army see what happen, him praise God and say, "For real, that man ya must have one good man when never do nothing wrong." When all of the people were gather see what happen, them go away with pain in them heart. But the people them when know Jesus and the woman them were following from Galilee turn one side and watch. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God